In today's video, I'm going to teach you mastering Microsoft Word's formatting hierarchy for consistent documents. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Word doesn't apply formatting at random, it follows a logical cascade. Think of it as layers, moving from broad document-wide choices down to specific, one-off tweaks. Understanding this hierarchy helps you predict what will happen, fix odd behavior quickly, and keep your documents consistent from start to finish. At the top of the cascade is the theme. A theme defines the overall aesthetic, the color palette, the pair of theme fonts for headings and body text, and certain visual effects. You can switch themes on the Design tab to refresh the entire look in one move. This works best when your document relies on styles, because styles are designed to honor the theme's choices rather than fight them. Styles are the essential layer. They're reusable blueprints for formatting and structure, covering font, size, color, spacing, indentation, and more, for specific kinds of content like Heading 1, Heading 2, or Normal. Apply them from the Home tab. When you use styles consistently, you unlock the navigation pane for quick movement through headings and you can generate a table of contents automatically. Most importantly, styles keep formatting predictable across your document. Direct or manual formatting sits below that as an override. This is when you click bold, change a font size, or nudge a paragraph indent by hand. It temporarily trumps the style for the selected text. If something looks off compared to the rest, clear the manual tweaks and fall back to the style by selecting the text and pressing Ctrl plus spacebar for character formatting, or use Clear All formatting on the Home tab. Separate from text formatting is the structural layer, sections and page layout. Settings on the Layout tab, like margins, orientation, columns, and page breaks, apply to sections. By default, your document is one section. Insert section breaks through layout, then breaks, when you want a different layout for part of the document, such as switching just a few pages to landscape or adjusting margins for a specific chapter. A few principles tie it all together. Styles build structure, especially Heading 1, Heading 2, and Heading 3, which power the navigation pane and table of contents. Formatting follows the cursor. When you press Enter, the next paragraph inherits the current paragraph's style and settings. And if you ever need to diagnose exactly what's winning, style or direct formatting, open the Style Inspector and use Reveal Formatting to see every layer at a glance. Use a theme, apply styles consistently, keep manual overrides minimal, and use sections for layout changes. Follow the cascade and your documents will stay clean, coherent, and easy to manage. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.